It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying out this kit that Modelones sent me. It has a beautiful pink lamp with a cord and everything. It has 6 gel polishes as well as 3 top coats or base coats, and it has some other goodies. So here is the manual for the lamp. This is the cord. And one thing that I like about the lamp, the cord is really long, so that is great. It came with all of these accessories like files, a buffer, cuticle oil, a brush, cuticle pusher, toe separators, and all that kind of stuff. So the polishes kind of got mixed around in transit, but nothing spilled out or waste or anything. So everything was sealed nicely. These are the 6 colors. And of course, they sent us a manual for the gel polishes, how to apply them, and all of that. So these are the base and top coats that I told you about. It has a base coat, a matte top coat, and a shiny top coat. And then of course we have our 6 polishes. Now if you are not a fan of pastel colors, they do have this kit with other color variations, so don't let that deter you from checking out their site. So on my right hand, I'm going to go in with the base coat. I typically don't use a base coat. Normally I will roughen up the surface of the nail and just apply my color like that. So to get the full experience of the kit, I'm going to do the base coat on this hand, and on one finger on my other hand I'm going to try it my method so that I can kind of see what the consistency is like and the difference. So I am pretty good with doing my nails on both hands, but with this gel polish it was kind of difficult. The consistency was a little more liquidy or runny than I'm used to. The consistency of the polishes kind of reminded me of regular nail polish. So using it with my non-dominant hand was a little difficult. I decided to just do what I can do and just clean it up afterwards. So yes, you don't supposed to get the gel on your fingers, but if you do, make sure you clean it up before you go into the lamp. I did let the polishes sit in my house for a day or two before I used it because my nail area is a little bit colder, to see if the polishes would, thicken up. With them being outside, they could have, kind of liquefied a little bit. So I did that to see if they would thicken up, but I think the consistency is just more on the liquidy side. Here I'm just cleaning up. One of the things that I wish the lamp had, I wish it had a bottom. If you work at a desk with a towel or like a fuzzy, furry towel or something like that, I noticed that putting my hand under the lamp, my nails were kind of attracting lint and things like that. So having a bottom helps prevent that, in my opinion. But for lamps that don't have a bottom, I like to just pick them up and put them over my hand. So that's another option as well, especially when I'm working with my practice hand. Instead of taking my practice hand off of the stand over and over again, I just take a bottomless lamp and hold it up over the fingers. So that's probably what I will be using this lamp for. Now for this finger, I went in without the base coat, and I'm using my dominant hand. So with all of that, with it being a method that I'm used to and with the hand that I'm more comfortable with, I feel like the polish applied a lot better. Having that base coat underneath definitely does improve the overall look of the polish. It gives that polish something to grab onto. But for me, I felt like it also made it, glide a little too good, and that's why I was just kind of, slipping and sliding everywhere when I was using my non-dominant hand. For the other fingers, I did apply the base coat to see how it would work with my dominant hand, and just having that stability and the ability to apply the polish a little bit more accurate, I definitely saw a difference. The nails that I used the base coat on, I feel like they came out smoother. So now I'm going in with the top coat, and this is the shiny top coat. The top coats were a little bit easier to work with. They were a little thicker. So I'm going to do the shiny top coat on my right hand and the matte top coat on my left hand. Having matte nails was really weird for me. It looks like you just kind of buff the nails. and I'm used to having shiny nails, but after a couple of days I kind of got used to it. So I definitely will be trying this out again. And I started to do the thumbs separate from my 4 fingers. I felt like the application came out a little better. And like I said, applying this with my dominant hand, the polishes were a lot better. So for this pinky, I made a little boo-boo. I don't really know what happened, but I'm guessing a layer of the gel didn't cure properly. So I just filed it down and reapplied 2 coats of the yellow and a coat of the top coat, and it fixed everything. So if that happens to you, all is not lost. Just go back in, file it away and reapply. So some tips for your non-dominant hand: try to rest your hand on something to give you a little bit more stability so that you won't be all wobbly how I was when I was applying the polish to my left hand. So I'm going in with their cuticle oil, and I'm just going to rub it all in, get my cuticles all nice and oiled up. So you're getting everything you really need. I had already prepped my nails and applied nails and all of that, but it comes with the files, the buffers, the cuticle pusher, all of that stuff so that you can, do your nails start to finish at home. So here I'm just showing you color by color, nail by nail, so that you can kind of get like a little swatch of what all of the colors look like. I love these pastel colors, but like I said, if you are not a fan of pastels, definitely check out some of their other collections. So overall, I'm going to give this kit a thumbs up. The lamp is super cute. If you have a fuzzy towel or something on your desk, try not to put the lamp over that, so that when you put your hand in, if your hand is on the table, you don't want to get any of that fuzzy material stuck in the nails. But I love the cord. The cord is extra long. I didn't have to try to prop up an extension cord and do all of that stuff that I normally have to do with my lamps. So that was really great. And I love the matte and the shiny top coat. It gives you, that same color but a different look to it. So let me know in the comments how you guys feel about this kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's the wrap, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.